If you are encountering the issue where Facebook keeps stopping, then here are some troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve it. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is check your internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection might be causing Facebook to stop unexpectedly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves this issue. But if the issue persists, then simply open the App Store in the iPhone and Google Play Store in Android. Then search for the Facebook and tap on the Facebook. If there is an update option available right next to the Facebook, then update it to the latest version, because an outdated app version might be causing issues, so make sure Facebook is up to date. After you do so, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Now once you're inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General in the iPhone, and in the Android, scroll down, tap on the apps, then tap on the Facebook and clear cache of the Facebook. But in iPhone, tap on the General, then tap on the iPhone storage. Now here from the list of available apps, look for the Facebook and simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on the Facebook, you will get to see Offload App option available there. Simply tap on the Offload app and offload the Facebook and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.